Hey guys, so for a while now I've been wanting the Nintendo Switch, and as you probably know they're really hard to get hold of. I managed to get one through Amazon, so I'm really happy. It's just arrived, so let's get it unboxed. Right, cool, let's get this unboxed. Pictures on the side, got the Joy-Cons at the back. Oh yeah! So first up we've got the actual Nintendo Switch. You can see it's got a USB-C port at the bottom there. There's a little kickstand, which I guess just comes out like that. And then you've got the micro SD slot just there. And this basically lets you obviously keep it like that. Very cool. And then at the top you've got your vents. The game card slots into there. You've got the volume buttons and the power button at the top there. So we'll just leave that to the side for now. Cool. Then you've got the Joy-Cons. They're like quite neon. I mean the red one is proper neon, whereas the blue one not so much. I think this red one is more a coral sort of pink more than red. But it's very neon and I think it looks really nice. Oh, I'm so excited, I can't wait to play. But yeah, these feel really good in the hand. So we'll just put this to the side for now. And then in here we've got the user manual, I guess, or a guide on how to use it. Then next we've got the grip. So this is where the Joy-Cons slide into, I guess. So this is my first Nintendo Switch console, but I got it right, so cool. Very easy, nice and easy. They literally just slide in like so, and you hear that very satisfying click. Oh, I didn't hear it then. There we go. And even that just feels really nice in the hands. And yeah, this is just making me really excited to play. Feels really good. It's really comfortable to hold as well, so looking forward to playing with that. Next up we've got I guess this is the wrist strap that you connect the Joy-Cons to. Then you've got your HDMI cable to connect to the TV. And of course the charging plug. I'm in the UK, so I've got the 3-pin adapter here. This will be the dock. Lovely. So it's yeah, it feels quite cheap, to be honest. It's just made out of a bit of plastic with the Nintendo Switch logo on it. You've got your two USB-C, not USB-C, sorry, USB-C 2.0 ports on there. And if we open this up, you've got your AC adapter port, USB 3 and HDMI out port. So what we're going to do is take a closer look at everything that you get in the box and then we'll set it up. So this is basically everything that you get in the box. You got the Nintendo Switch itself, the dock, the Joy-Cons, the grip, the power adapter, the HDMI cable and some wrist straps. So let's take a look at the Joy-Cons. As I mentioned before, they are quite neon. The red one is definitely more neon than the blue. I don't think the blue is very neon, to be honest, but the red is very much a coral pink colour in real life. I mean, the camera's not capturing it, but it's very neon. but I like it. Looks really good, and these are definitely very comfortable to hold in my hand. Feels good. Really can't wait to get started and start playing. Okay, so I'm just going to power it on now to get it set up. So it's showing that the Joy-Cons need to be attached, so let's slide those in. Oh yeah, I'm excited. Okay, so let's get into the setup. So selecting my language, region. We can have a read of this important information, or you can just skip it. So let's just go back, go down to next. Okay. So we'll have to connect to the Wi-Fi, but I'll do that off camera. Cool, so setting the time zone. I'm going to connect to the TV later, so we'll skip that. Right, so now we've got to detach the Joy-Con controllers, so let's do that. Personally, I don't think I'd ever actually play in tabletop mode, but it's nice that the option's there. Cool, so now I've got an add a user, so let's do that. I'm going to create a new one because I don't have an existing one. Obviously, I'm going to select Mario because Mario is literally my all-time favourite. And I've got to put in a nickname. I could do Sadia, but I think I'm going to do Accelerate. And then got a link to your Nintendo account. Don't have one yet, so I'll sort that out later on. So we'll skip that. I may purchase the Nintendo Switch Online, but I need to look into it first, see what the benefits actually are. And there we go, setup complete, nice and easy. On to the games. So I've bought Super Mario 3D All-Stars, 51 Worldwide Games, and Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. So I think I'm going to start off with Mario Kart, because I think that's probably going to be the best one, and I'll get to play it with my family too. So let's get it out, and let's get it in the Switch. Cool, so now it's showing up on the Switch itself. Let's dock it and get it connected to the TV. Oh yeah, I'm so excited. Alright, now it's time to create a me, so I'll just fast forward this. And there we go. I'm obviously going to select orange because of Accelerate. Why not? It kind of makes sense. And yeah, that's it. That's pretty much done. Alright, now it's time to play. So I'm going to go and do that, and don't forget to stay tuned for more Nintendo Switch videos. Thanks for watching.